Hello everybody, and welcome to another NetHunt CRM tutorial. Today we're going to learn about the contacts and companies folders, how they are different and how to use them. When you first start with the NetHunt CRM system, these folders are already there by default. The contacts and companies folders are synchronized with your Google Contacts and LinkedIn. Let's see how we can use it. The Google Content Sync allows you to place all of your business contacts in NetHunt and work with them as CRM records. They can only be synced to the contacts folder. To learn more about how to do this, watch our tutorial on how to manage Google Contacts in NetHunt CRM. You can find a link to this in the description below. Once the contacts are synced with your CRM, they are placed in the contacts folder. Why so? Well, we in NetHunt established the link between the Google Contacts and this folder. So the system knows that this is the path to do the sync, not to deals or companies. If I open a contact record, I can see the fields that can be matched with the fields from Google Contacts. So the data can be mapped easily to the fields like first and last names, email. Not only a contact record is created in NetHunt upon the sync, but also a company record already linked. NetHunt automatically creates a company record to sync any company information that you have included in your Google Contacts. This company record is placed in the companies folder. So in the future, if you add a new contact to Google Contacts, our daily sync will grab it and put it straight into NetHunt, simply linking this contact to either an existing company record or creating a new one in the companies folder to link it to. Therefore, do not delete these folders. But if you already have, don't worry. You can easily restore them from the trash bin in the settings. Now, let's see how else these folders can be used. In your inbox, you will find that some emails are already linked to existing records. When you receive an email from a new person, simply click on the NetHunt icon over here and auto-create a contact record and a company record that will link with each other. Next, I will open an email and see two records linked to it on the right side, with all of the sender's contact details, like first name, last name, and email addresses filled out, and when available, their profile pictures as well. Last but not least, let's talk about the LinkedIn and NetHunt integration. If you plan to find new leads from LinkedIn and you have our LinkedIn extension installed, you will find that it is actually a huge painkiller, lifting the stress of all that manual work. As you can see, I already have my extension installed and I am on LinkedIn. I find a company that I want to incorporate with my NetHunt system. So I simply click on the NetHunt icon to create a new record. Now, when I visit the company's page, I can see that same record here as well. Now let's add a few leads who are working for this company. I can add a few people from the list without having to visit their profiles. I can simply click on anyone I want to see a snippet of the record placed on their profile. Now, back to NetHunt. I open my contacts and I can already see the new contacts I have just created. Inside, you can find a link to the company record as well. The company itself shows all the related connections I have synced from LinkedIn. Okay, now you know some tricks related to contacts and companies integration. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe. We post informational videos every week, so let us know what you want to hear about next week in the comments below. If you still haven't tried NetHunt, sign up today for free. The link is in the description. Bye for now!